guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. It's gonna be a vlog style video. My first vlog, obviously. I just wanted to quickly say hey. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I love you. Welcome back to my apartment now. Today's a really lazy day with the exception of me having to go to work in, let's see, a couple of hours because it is 2 o'clock. But I wanted to go ahead and get a few things done as far as laundry goes and kind of tidying up my apartment. Rest of today, I am going to chill, watch maybe some Netflix or a little bit of YouTube, eat a cup of noodles, and then be on my way to work. All right, so it is 11:39. I'm looking a hot mess right now. The parking lot was hella dead. Like, we didn't really have that many people or that many cars in the parking lot. But when I tell you we got slammed tonight, we got fucking slammed. And I was taking tables in the bar, and I was taking tables in the dining area, and that was insane. But I'm driving home right now. I'll talk to you guys later, or maybe not, I don't know, because I'm really tired right now, but I have to turn this light off. So bye. This is such a weird angle. I do apologize. And if you can't hear me, I also apologize. But today is November 7th. It is a Thursday. And I didn't really vlog much yesterday because I worked a 13-hour shift. And who wants to vlog after working a 13-hour shift? Yeah, I ended up picking up a shift today, which is Thursday. And it's not really much to do right now because we're dead. And I just thought I would check in, say hey, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Oh, I like that little basket.
Walmart.
That is so cute. What you mean? Oh, you on video?
Alrighty, what's up, guys? Today is Friday, November 8th, I believe. And it's my off day. I do need to do a load of laundry. I also need to eat. I'm feeling jittery and slow. I also need to go to Walmart, get a few household items. My mom and I were gonna go to Bath and Body Works. That may or may not happen. I don't know. Filming this vlog has been really exciting. It's really fun to edit as well. I'm excited to take you guys along with me, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. just got finished cleaning my apartment and Jesus, it's 7:43. I'm waiting on my clothes to dry and my boyfriend to get out of the shower so I can go take my shower. I also need to wash my hair very badly, and I'm debating on whether or not I want to straighten it because I don't know, I've just been really bored with my hair lately, and I don't know. We'll see what happens.